We live in a world where our phones and laptops endlessly compete for our attention. But what if you could see exactly where your time goes and take control of it? In this video, I'll show you how to track your screen time and reduce distractions so you can stay focused, productive, and mentally refreshed. The first step is awareness. On iPhone, open Settings, Screen Time. Here you'll see how many hours you spend each day on social media, entertainment, productivity, and more. You can also view your most used apps and the number of times you pick up your phone. On Android, go to Settings, Digital Wellbeing. You'll find the same insights: daily screen time, app usage charts, and unlock counts. Once you know where your time is going, you can start making smarter decisions. Next, set boundaries. Both iPhone and Android let you set app limits for your biggest distractions. Choose apps like TikTok, Instagram, or games, anything that steals your focus, and set a daily limit, maybe 30 or 45 minutes. When you hit that limit, your phone will gently remind you to stop scrolling and get back to what matters. This single habit can save you hours every week. Now let's go deeper. Activate focus mode. On iPhone, you can create custom modes like work, sleep, or study. These modes silence notifications, hide distracting apps, and even filter which people can reach you. On Android, focus mode pauses specific apps so you can't open them until you're done working. It's like putting your distractions in a temporary jail. Simple but incredibly effective. Bonus tools to reduce distractions. If you want extra help, try apps like 1. Forest, stay focused by growing a virtual tree. 2. StayFree, detailed app usage reports. 3. 1 second forces you to pause before opening addictive apps. These tools add friction to your bad habits and make staying focused much easier. Tracking your screen time isn't about punishment, it's about awareness. Your brain becomes more intentional when it sees real data. And once distractions are reduced, you gain more time for learning, relaxing, and the things that actually make your life better. So start today, track your screen time, set limits, and use focus modes. You'll be amazed how quickly your mind feels clearer and how much extra time you get back. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.